Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about IUC charges, interconnect usage charges. Recently the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, the highest governing body for telecom sector in India, announced that the IUC charges, the interconnect usage charges will be zero from 1st of Jan 2021. With this, the telecom sector of India has moved into a new regime that is also known as bill and keep. After all, this move is good for everyone, for the telecom sector as well as for us. But the question here is, what is IUC, the interconnect usage charges? Let us discuss it first. For example, there are two persons, A and B. A is using Airtel SIM, B is using Jio SIM. The Airtel customer A is calling to Jio customer B. In this case, it means the call is being initiated from Airtel customer and it is getting terminated at Jio customer. In this case, the Airtel company is liable to pay charges to Jio company. This charge is only known as IUC, interconnect usage charges. This is also applied vice versa. It means when the Jio customer is calling to Airtel customer, then the Jio company is liable to pay the charges to Airtel company. This concept of IUC, interconnect usage charges, is known as calling party pay regime, CPP regime, and this has been started in way back in May 2003. From 2003 to 2015 the rate was 30 paisa per minute, and from 2015 to October 2017 the rate was 14 paisa per minute, and from October 2017 to 31 December 2020 the rate was 6 paisa per minute, and from 2021 1st January the IUC, the calling party pay regime, the CPP regime, has been scrapped by TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. The scrapping of IUC or calling party pays regime, CPP regime, was started in September 2016 when Jio started its services in India. That time what happened? The Jio provided free services to its customers. It means the most of the calls were being initiated from Jio operator. So it means the Jio was the net IUC payer. So definitely it pushed the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India try for the zero IUC regime. However, the other operators like Airtel and Vodafone Idea, who were the net IUC recipients that time, they opposed the move, because most of the calls were being initiated from Jio. So as a result, from September 2016 to October 2019, Jio paid 13,500 crore Indian rupees to Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea as a IUC charges. And in 2019 October, Jio started to charge its customer for IUC. However, the charge was inbuilt into its tariff plans. And also the Jio promised that it would abolish taking charges from its customer as IUC from the day IUC becomes zero from the TRAI side. Moreover, I want to tell you the other operators like Airtel and Vodafone Idea were not taking IUC charges from its customers. So the new regime, bill and keep, has already been started from 1st of Jan 2021. So let us know how the scrapping of IUC, interconnect usage charges, would be beneficial for the telecom sector of India. The first one is the IUC is outdated because it is associated with old telecom technology, and right now it has been outpaced by rapid modernization and technology evolution in the telecom sector. The second one is a zero IUC regime will work as an incentive for technology upgrades, because the particular telecom operator will try to provide the best technologies to its customers, because the company doesn't need to pay the IUC charges to other operators. The third is scrapping IUC certainly will help to protect the competitiveness in the telecom sector, because every telecom sector will try to provide the best services to its customers. Last but not least is we as the customers would be getting benefited by this move, because either the tariff rates may go down or we would not be charged so high for the tariff plans. That's all from my side. If you find this video informative, like it, share this video with your friends, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.